We'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT cartoon image. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the OpenAI website. Once there, you need to log into your OpenAI account. If you don't have one, just click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your account. After you're logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT section on the site. You'll see a text input area where you can interact with ChatGPT. To create a cartoon image, you'll need to utilize the DALL-E image generation feature. Type a detailed description of the cartoon image you want to generate. For example, you might say, create a cartoon image of a cat lounging in a sunny garden with colorful flowers. The more detailed your description, the better the output will be. Once you've entered your description, submit it, and DALL-E will generate an image based on the text you provided. This might take a few moments, so be patient. When the image is ready, you can click to view it in full and, if you like it, download it to your device by right-clicking on the image and selecting Save Image As. It's always a good idea to refine your description if the first image isn't exactly what you were hoping for. You can tweak the details and resubmit until you get the perfect cartoon image. Remember, creativity in your descriptions will lead to unique and interesting images. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.